Hi, hello everyone. So the title of this presentation is the sensitivity analysis of the GTN domain parameters at different operator for dynamic fractal propagation in X70 pipeline using a neural network. So firstly, we start by the pipeline steel fracture toughness and the GTN model used in this study. And then we have the impact testing with the experimental tests. And we have the artificial neural network model developed in this based on experimental and numerical study. Finally, we have the result and decision. Finally, we have the conclusion. So, in this first introduction, we are going to give a short introduction of domain pipeline state fracture toughness. So, the scientific research has connected numerical experimental model studies to understand to improve accidents discoveries to fracture mechanism which aim to study the propagation of pre-existing cracks within a materials. The initial and maximal load was studied using the finite element modeling analysis during impact testing of pipeline X70 Steel. The Gurson-Tvergaard-Needleman constitutive model has been used to simulate upgrade of watts during deformation of pipeline steel at different temperatures. The finite element method simulations results used to study the sensitivity of the initial and maximal load with GTN parameters values proposed and the variation of temperature. Finally, the applied artificial neural network is used to predict the initial and maximal load for a given set of the mesh parameters X70 steel at different temperatures. So, with the experimental impact testing, so the first with the preparation of test specimens, and then we have the execution at different temperature. We have and you have the result with the creation of the Excel data. So now with the simulation numeric based the experimental test. So the step one is the dimension of and mesh used in the finite element method. And the second step, fracture impact testing simulated specimen, and we have result the same with the Excel. So what is the third step with the architect of neural networks with the input and the output based off the experimental and the numerical test. We have the result, then the initial and the maximum load with number of parameter GTN models. So we start by the experimental test with the still X75 at the temperature. Then we have the apache software with GTN parameters what we proposed. Finally, we have the predict of the initial and maximal load using or based the experimental and the finite element method data in the artificial neural network model.